Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I ran across a really cool product that I want to share with you. And by the way, I don't get paid to share this with you, but I ran across something that I think could potentially help you out. If you have one of these, a Mercedes Sprinter van, and if you have one of these, a copilot that you take on your trips with you, then your copilot may experience the same thing my wife is, and that is her feet don't actually comfortably rest on the floor. Now, the Mercedes Sprinter van seats are commonly known to kind of be tall, but my wife's 5'7", and sitting in the seat, they don't go to the floor there. So we've tried different things like footstools and beanbag, and those are all great, but then hard to get in and out. So I reached out to my friends at White Top Adventures. So they sent me this awesome footrest that is custom made for the Sprinter van layout. Now, that's designed to be much more comfortable for your passenger, for their feet, the seating position. It's sleek, it's functional. It's addition to your van interior that's just made entirely from lightweight powder-coated aluminum, ensuring the passenger is more comfortable and eliminating those dangling feet. But let me take this out so you can see exactly how this thing is built and how it works. So this cool device that they make custom made for the Mercedes Sprinter van. You can see solid bottom all the way around, the skid plate on the top, and this is what holds it in place. It's got two strong magnets that actually stick right to the metal housing on the seat in the Sprinter van. Now, you also see these slots. What are those for? Well, you can actually screw this, permanently mount it to the seat. Now, why would you want to do that? It actually is pretty cool because it has its own storage, or you can think about it as a safe. So you can open this up, put things in it, and it has a locking feature here to keep those things inside. Okay, so I put it back in here, and you can see this thing is staying there. It's not going to move around. Those magnets are really strong, and that's actually adhered through in front of a leather band that we have around our seats. So if I pick that up, it would, be even better. So depending on what your situation is, you don't have to worry about those magnets holding this in place. And it fits perfectly inside the Sprinter van. I mentioned before, this is all powder-coated aluminum, completely housed, so you have, if you use it for a safe or holding some of your valuables in it, you could do that. This thing is 23.5 inches long, 16 inches across, and 4.5 inches high, just to give you an idea. And those 4.5 inches is all your copilot needs to have a much more comfortable ride. So one of the other things we did, because the front of our RV is all carpeted, most of the time it's a rubber mount, just base for everybody's. And either way, what I did is I just bought this little carpet mat that has a non-skid backing on it. I just put it on here, and that way it kind of blends right in. It doesn't go anywhere either, and just a great way to actually keep your product clean and just a more comfortable environment altogether. I'll put the link in the description section below for you guys, or you can just go right to the White Top Adventures website. These guys make all kinds of cool van life products that you may find just as helpful or more helpful than this one. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you allowing me to share what I think is a pretty cool product, and hopefully you do as well. Till next time, I hope all your future trips are optimized. Thanks for watching.